said, except this is the button to push and talk. Joe's time was up, but until then, he'd been steady as a rock. He finished his checklist and set his climb rate, took his last breath, and he was on his way. Tower radio crackled, who might this be? Mayday, 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 this is Niner Delta Whiskey. Moving traffic at the speed of sound. Lisa made it simple, said, don't hit the ground. Doug moved carefully, to do nothing wrong. Told Lisa to find him a runway that was wide and long. Ringing like rain, with those props and power, and just fly that plane. No wind on the field, and the field is yours. Touchdown on the runway, couldn't open the doors.